Hey. So, I have just been messaging somebody, and yes, I have got one eye done. I've got this on my lips, and somebody just said, "Loving the sparkle." I'd love that in an eyeshadow. So I just had this rather random, crazy idea. So this is a metallic liquid lip slash, and look at this. Sorry, I need a mirror. Hi Sally, hi Joe, how you doing guys? Give me a love heart if you're live. If you're watching on replay, hit hashtag replay. This is insane. Look at this. This is liquid lip splash, and look at that. Nuts! I love it. Multi-use product, and I'm just going to grab a blending brush. Hi Laura, hi Tamara. Guys, this is fucking insane. Sorry, I'm swearing. I'm just going to literally... I feel like it's Christmas. Look at that. Love it. Gemma, I've just invented something mint. Literally liquid lip splash on your eyes. This has opened up so many possibilities. How many colours have I got in here? You know what's going to be on my videos for the next week, don't you? Oh my god, I'm going to try that. I'm going to wear that one to work tomorrow. So, hi Lisa, you're right darling. Guys, this is absolutely insane. So basically liquid lip splash. Look at the glitter and sparkle, and do you know what? Like, it's really, I've literally just done that, and it blends so nicely. That's insane. I wonder if I've got one that I can blend in. Hold on a minute. Here we go. Live demo. Lighter one in the corner, maybe. I don't know. I know, Sally. It's insane, but it also means you get multi-use out of your products. But it's just matte. Right, I'm actually going to give it a go. We'll see. So this one is the... I need my glasses. Superior. Might be too light. Don't know. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I probably need something a little bit darker on the outside. I mean, you can kind of see. Things you think of. And you can actually see that quite... Oh, do you know what? In the bigger mirror from there, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Hi Bridget, you're right darling. Hi Helena. Hi Jane, Ellie. Guys, do me a favour, if you're watching live, hit give me a love heart. If you are watching replay, hit hashtag replay. So I've just had an epiphany. Liquid lipsticks for eyeshadows, and I've actually just blended these two. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm actually wearing Special. Is it Special on my lips? I think so. Give me a sec. I need my glasses. I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. So you can actually wear those on your eyes. I might even take it off. But do you know what? I will. I'm going to try it on. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to try it. Hi Sarah Lou. Hi Bridget. Hi Anna. You're right darling. I've just had the most amazing epiphany. So this is liquid lipsticks, the metallic range, and I decided to stick it on my eyelids. And it worked. Loving it. So I'm just taking this off. Just take a little bit of getting off, because once these things are dried, that's them on for like forever. But I just want to try, so I'm just gonna What one do you reckon? Purple? No, that's not purple. That's purple. Right, guys, I'm going to pick 3 colours and I am going to get you guys to vote. And whatever you go with, I will actually put it on. So we've got like an orangey one. We've got a purple one. And try to get like different ones. We've got like a baby candy pink. So what do you reckon? Hey, Paula. Couldn't get a good purple lipstick. There, well, there you go. There's a nice purple lipstick. That one's called Stately. Sorry, I'm blind as a bat. I haven't got my glasses on. Right, so girls, if you want to see that one on, give me a heart. If you want to see that one on, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see that one, that's like a candy cotton pink, give me a laughing face. Hi Simon, hi Emma, you alright guys? So what did I say? Hearts, thumbs up, laughing face. Hearts, thumbs up, laughing face. Come on guys, help me choose. Help me choose. Purple. I'm going to go for purple. Alright. Oh my god, look at this. Right, I'm just going to take a bit of the product off. These come with loads of. You've all seen me do the lip videos. Right, there's loads of product, so you do need to take it off. Thumbs. Oh god, I might have to do one of these tomorrow if you're giving me different things to do. Oh wow. Oh wow, I think I actually prefer this to putting on splurge. That looks amazing on the eyelid. And then again, just grab me little. I'm just going to soften the edges up a little bit. And then that looks quite funky. I like it. I need to neaten that little corner up a bit. It's a bit wild. What do you reckon, guys? I quite like that. I wonder if I could blend something onto the inner corner. So, there you have it. Liquid lipsticks as eyeshadows. Multi-purpose products. My favourite thing. If you can use something for 2 or 3 different things, absolutely awesome. Anyway, I'm going to go now because I need to go and have a bath because I've been a dirty stop out the last 2 nights and I'm dead tired, so I need to get to bed early tonight. So I'm going to go and have a nice little hot bath and a face mask, and I'm going to do more of this in the morning because this is ace. Anyway, love you loads. Thanks for sharing.